Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Kumar. I'm an ortho and spine surgeon who deals with spinal problems, back and neck pain most of the time. One of the main problems I find with my patients is they don't work in adequate seating conditions, especially due to this COVID situation now and working at home. So I thought I'd make a video to demonstrate the best seating position to avoid neck and back pain. If one works long hours in front of computers, it's ideal to work with the table and chair and avoid working on sofas and beds. An ideal chair should look something like this. There should be a back support like this, or if you have a straighter chair, you can use a small pillow in this area for back support. Chair should have armrest like this, so that the arms can be rested adequately, and the ankles, knees and hip joints should be at 90 degrees with the back straight in a relaxed position, so that you can sit for long hours in a straight relaxed position. It is better to work with a desktop so that the center of the computer screen can be adjusted to the level of the eyes. But if a laptop has to be used, then a separate keyboard can be used so that the laptop can be kept at a higher position while using the keyboard with the arms rested. Every half an hour to 1 hour, one should stand up and do some stretching exercises for the neck as it is shown, and for the back also as it is shown by our physiotherapist. So to recap, one should sit in a straight, relaxed position with the arms rested and the computer screen at the level of the eyes, and should do back and neck stretching exercises every half an hour to 1 hour so that you can work for long hours without getting neck and back pain. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and send in your valuable comments as well. And if you'd like an appointment with me, either online or personal, the details are in the description box below. Thank you.